NYPD officer Wayne Isaacs in court and on trial on second-degree murder and manslaughter charges in the fatal off-duty shooting of 37-year-old Delron Small, an unarmed man following a road rage incident on July 4, 2016. Officer Isaacs had just gotten off work and was heading home when the trouble began. Victoria Davis is the victim's sister.
Delron had the right to live. Delron was an unarmed man who was killed unjustly.
The crux of the case centers around grainy surveillance video of that deadly confrontation in East New York shortly after midnight on that morning. Delron Small is seen approaching Officer Isaacs' personal car, appearing to stumble and collapse after being shot by Officer Isaacs in front of his children. That is not in dispute. What led to all this is, prosecutors say of Officer Isaacs, the defendant pulled out his gun and pulled the trigger 3 times and killed Mr. Small in the blink of an eye. But defense attorneys argue Smalls was angry, legally intoxicated, and attacked Isaacs, punching him in the face before the officer pulled the trigger. That Isaacs acted in self-defense.
He was assaulted. Because of the assault on him, he fired his weapon the minimum number of times officers fire, a 3-shot burst.
Prosecutors deny Smalls was drunk and says Isaacs never identified himself as a police officer. This is the first trial prosecuted by a state attorney general under Governor Andrew Cuomo's executive order for independent investigations and prosecutions in police-involved deaths of unarmed citizens. If convicted on the murder charge, Officer Isaacs could face 25 years to life in prison. Scott Rapoport, CBS 2 News.